Running a small business in New York or New Jersey is no small feat. From keeping customers happy to handling day-to-day operations, your plate is already full. But there's one area you can't afford to overlook: bookkeeping. Accurate bookkeeping isn't just about tracking numbers. It's the foundation for understanding your business's financial health, making smart decisions, and staying compliant with local tax laws. If you've ever tried to manage your own books, you know it can get complicated fast. Mixing personal and business expenses, misclassifying transactions, or falling behind on reconciliations can all lead to confusion, missed deductions, and even costly penalties. And with New York and New Jersey's unique tax requirements, a small mistake can quickly snowball into a bigger problem. That's where GTA Accounting Group comes in. We specialize in bookkeeping solutions built specifically for small businesses in NY and NJ. Our team handles everything from transaction recording and bank reconciliation to payroll processing and sales tax filing. We keep your records organized, accurate, and up to date, so you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. Outsourcing your bookkeeping to experts like GTA Accounting Group saves you time and reduces stress. You'll receive detailed financial reports, gain insights into your business's performance, and always be prepared for tax season or funding opportunities. Plus, our services are cost-effective, starting at just $79.99 per month, making professional bookkeeping accessible for businesses of any size. Don't let bookkeeping slow you down or put your business at risk. Join the many NY and NJ business owners who trust GTA Accounting Group to keep their finances in order and their businesses ready for growth. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how easy and affordable expert bookkeeping can be.